Hello, everyone. My name is Marcin. I currently work at Kong, and I'm a Kuma contributor. And today I will show you what's new in Kuma. So just a quick recap. Kuma is an Envoy-based service mesh. It was built with multi-tenancy and multi-cluster support in mind. We also support, by default, brownfield deployments. So it's easy to integrate VM workloads into your Kubernetes cluster and into your mesh. So what's actually new since the last KubeCon? We've added new kind data plane in policies. We redesigned inbound policies API. We've added ability to define secrets on zone level. We've added option to exclude policy from sync between zones. And there was a couple of stability improvement. So let's take a quick look at the new kind data plane. So in policies, they are basically main concept of configuration in Kuma. You configure, for example, timeouts, retries, etc., using the policies. And previously, when you wanted to select some subset of workloads in your mesh, you needed to use mesh subset kind in the target ref selector. And you were selecting workload by tags. Those tags were taken from data plane inbounds, which could be problematic to understand, and it wasn't that easy to use. So now we've introduced new kind data plane where you are selecting the real resource data plane. Every workload has its own data plane, and on Kubernetes, we are basically building data planes from pods. And the data planes have the same labels as pods, so it's easy to select your workloads by labels. Also, with addition to section name, you can now simply select a single inbound to apply the configuration to, which comes in handy with our new inbound configuration API. So previously, we were using the from section with target ref that selected the subset of traffic that should be configured. And in most policies, you are only able to select mesh, with exception of traffic permission, where you will able to select some subset of clients to which the policy should apply. So now we are moving towards rules, which is more Kubernetes native and gateway API, similar API. Right now, there is only the default field with the configuration itself. But with the addition of section name, as I mentioned previously, you can select the single inbound and apply configuration to that inbound. And we will be adding the more possibilities to this API with the matches field, where you will be able to select subset of traffic, for example, based on method, path, or select subset of clients, for example, using SPIFFE ID. Yeah, so that's basically all that's new and cool in Kuma. Where to find out more? You can reach out to our docs at kuma.io. There are plenty of guides when you can try those stuff. There's a quick start that you can try. I encourage you to play with it. And if you have more questions, you can find me during the KubeCon. And we'll be having a booth on Wednesday and Thursday morning, so feel free to come by and chat. Thank you, guys.